the kid that you can be. Come and follow me. Albo!
Boring.
Now what's the matter, Albo?
Oh, hi, Miss Joey.
How?
We haven't been able to go out for so long. I'm so bored. I've been playing the same toys.
Oh, that's not good. How about we do something fun for today?
You know what?
Glad you asked. I prepared a science experiment for both of us using, wait for it, candies!
Did you say candy?
Yes, I did.
You mean the small little things that you can eat? And then my mom last time gave it to me for breakfast and lunch and dinner, and I ate some, and that felt so good. I'm thinking that I could eat.
Whoa. Hold on a minute. These candies are not for eating today.
What? Candy? Not for eating?
Well,
That's crazy!
hear me out. We are going to make this. What do you think?
That looks like a rainbow.
Yes, it is.
Wait, that's from candy?
Yep, these are made from Skittles.
No way.
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Do you want to make this project?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah? All right. Wait, let me grab the materials.
And there's candy, right?
Of course.
Cool.
But first, we need a plate.
Oh, cool.
Next, we need a cup of warm water.
I know that. Whoa.
The last piece, we need some
Candy.
Skittles.
Candy.
Let's see. Here we have different colors. Take a look. We got red,
Candy.
orange,
Candy.
yellow,
Candy.
green,
Candy.
purple. Yes, they're all candies. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to line these candies up.
In the mouth.
No,
On the plate. On the plate.
on the plate, in a circle.
In the circle.
And then, oh, hold on. Wait, I need to grab some more.
Okay, you go grab some more. Dun, 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 dun.
Wait. Oh, did you guys see what happened? Albo, I thought I told you these Skittles are not for eating.
Yeah. No eating. No, not for eating. Real candy. No.
Not for eating.
No, I'm not reading.
So, we're going to make a circle
Circle.
on the plate,
On the plate.
not in the mouth.
No, I'm not eating.
Oh, and then I need to grab some more Skittles.
Yeah, you go do that.
Sure. Wait.
Over there. Dun.
Albo! What's that in your mouth?
Peace.
Albo, to do this project, you gotta learn to wait, look, and listen.
Wait and eat. No. Wait, look and listen.
That's right. We're gonna wait, look, and listen. So I'm gonna grab some more Skittles. You wait for me.
You do that. Wait, look and listen. Wait, look and listen.
You got this. You got this. All right. Here you go. Nice waiting. We're gonna grab these Skittles and we're gonna put them on our plate. You can line up within a circle. You do whatever shapes you want. I'm just gonna do a small circle with a red dot in the middle. And then next, Listen, guys, we're gonna grab the cup of warm water. I'm gonna slowly, remember, slowly and gently pour it into the plate. Last but not least, we're gonna wait. Look, it won't take long. And you guys, the colors are coming out. Wow, and they're slowly mixing together. Look how pretty that is. How are yours going? Albo, what about your plate?
My Skittles are broken, and I made a mess.
Albo. You know what? When we learn something new, not only do we have to wait, we also got to
Look.
and
Dumb elephant. Listen.
That's right.
Can we try again?
Of course
Sorry.
we can. That's all right. Hold on. Let me put this away. Over here. I'm gonna grab more Skittles. Now you're gonna
Look,
wait.
wait. Yeah.
You got this. Some water for the both of us.
Oh, I dropped it. There you go.
There you go. More Skittles.
Cool. More candy.
You waited super well. Now, look, Albo. We're gonna take these Skittles and line them up one by one on our plate. Now you can make any design you want. I'm gonna make a circle. What are you gonna make?
I'm gonna make a rain. No. I'm gonna make a rain elbow.
You do that. Remember, one by one,
One by one.
line them up to any shape you want.
I'm gonna make the letter A,
Oh, that sounds great.
and then I'm gonna eat it.
Excuse me?
Nothing. Wait, look, and listen.
That's right. We're not eating these Skittles. Okay, let me know when you're done. I've lined mine up into a circle that looks like a flower.
Finished. Look, I made an A.
Oh, wonderful. And I made a flower. So, listen. Next, we're going to grab a cup of water and we're going to pour it in slowly.
Slowly.
Good listening, Albo. Well done.
Slowly.
You're done? Put down that cup of water.
Done.
Last but not least, we're going to wait.
Wait.
Do you think we can do that?
Yes.
All right, let's wait. And look.
Whoa.
Yay, the colors are coming out. Would you
Yours look like
at
a
that?
flower.
Yes, and yours look like a...
A mess.
No, it looks like a Albo rainbow.
Yeah, it's a. Yeah.
It looks beautiful. Whoa, how amazing is that?
That is so cool.
Did you guys have fun?
I had fun.
Yeah, you had fun?
I'm gonna do this again.
Guys, when you learn something new, you gotta learn to
Wait. And eyes look
yes,
and listen.
perfect. I'm so glad you learned something new today, Albo. All right, guys, we'll see you guys next time.
Oh, wait. Miss Joey, wait. Miss Joey, wait.
Okay.
And Miss Joey, look. And Miss Joey, listen to my belly.
Okay. Here you go, Albo.
Yeah.
Woo. Oh, wait! You can eat them one by one.
One by one. Okay. All right. One.
Guys, you listened.
I
All
listened.
right. See you guys next time.
Here I am. Bye.